there, this is Barbara Template, and this is another video about Canva, how to use Canva for your business, tips and tricks and new features. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your own gradient in Canva. There are plenty of them, but maybe they don't always suit you. You need something else, or you need some different shape and so on. So there's really easy way how to create your own gradient. So let's see how we can do it. So I'm going to share my screen and go to Canva. So here I just got, I've prepared an Instagram post. It could be anywhere, anything. So how we can do it? So what we do first, we actually create a post where you insert or where you put the colors you want to have there. You can do it very simply with, let's say you can put some frames or elements and fill them in with colors. So let's say I'll go for these two. I'll just create something like this. Oh, I put something here. And I'll just copy this like this and do maybe one more. Just fill it in here so it fits well. This one also, there's a little white line in between, but it's okay, it doesn't matter actually. For this purpose this helps. And now I just fill each of them with some colors I want in my gradient. So for example, I'll go for this one. Here I'll put blue, here I'll go for this one and one more. Okay, so these are the colors I've decided I want to have in my gradient. This is some kind of gradient I want to have. So I just move myself over here. So what do I do now? I'll download this as a JPG with transparent background. Okay, so I'll go to download. By the way, there is a change in the settings of share options. I'll make a video about that. People are not really happy about it, me either, because before I think it was easier, but it's personal opinion. So let's go to download. Okay, so I go to PNG, and I'll go to transparent background. Okay, it has to be a transparent background. This is a pro feature. Okay, I go download. So I download this design, and then I upload it again back to my Canva. All right, there we go. Yes. So now I upload it as an image. Yes. And I'll go plus. And I'll insert this image over here. And what do I do now? I click on the image and I'll go to edit image. And I'll go to adjust, see all. And I'll just blur this image, yeah, to 100% like this. Okay, or maybe less, depends, it's up to you. But if I blur it like this, as you can see, now I've got my own gradient that I have created, or maybe it's with my brand colors, maybe it's with a kind of a style or lines that I want and I haven't found it in Canva. So as simple as this. So you create your image with the colors you want. Yeah, what do you want the gradient look like? Then you download it as you go to share, download option, and you download it as PNG with transparent background. Then you upload it again to your Canva and go to adjust options, edit image and adjust. You click on the see all, and here are all the options of adjustment of the image, and you just blur it as much as possible or as much as you need. And then you can use this I like detach image from the background, and you can save this image and you can use it wherever you need. So that's all for today. Very simple trick how to create your own gradient. And subscribe, and I'll see you in another video about Canva and tips and tricks about Canva. Have a beautiful day. Bye bye.